Look at this. I know what's inside of this package, but I don't have any clue about how to work with that, what's inside of it. So we're going to open it and learn how to work with it. Hey, I'm Seppu, and today we unpack a fancy package. Just to give you some spoilers, I bought a 3D printer, well, my first one, and it's a resin printer. And I'm so hyped about that! Yay! I really hope that there is resin inside of it, so we can try it and use it today. I'm not sure, because that was something in the advertisement they sent me, well, on the website. They said I will get this printer and I will get this Hello Kitty. I will get this washing machine. It's not a washing machine, of course, but it's wash and cure, so for washing the resin out of the print. And also I will get, like I said, high-speed resin, because this printer is high-speed fancy shit. And I hope at least one of the resins I bought is inside of that. At least a high-speed resin. So I hope it. I hope the washing machine will come in a few days. I don't know, they not sent me a message that they sent it now, so I hope it will be soon. We will see, but let's open. Woohoo! Oh my god. No, my face isn't going into that, I'm sorry, but that's my face right now. Yeah, you can't see shit, but let's fix that. I hope I can pull it out on this thing. Oh, don't drop it. Do not drop it. Spoiler, it does not look like there's resin inside. Nope, no resin. So no printing for me this whole weekend. So plan is to put this big thing on the place where it is supposed to stand, and then we will see. Okay, so they say if you have a look, well, you won't see anything probably, but they say I have to turn it on first before assembling. So it is here now, everything. We will see. I will find a position where you can see everything, and then I will be back. First, plugging in the electricity, finding where especially. It makes beep! Okay, I have to press tools. Oh my god, it makes beep noises. And then move set. And then 2. And then press 2 times. Click 2 times. Where? There. I did. It was. Oh, sorry. Wrong language. assume so. Then I have to. What parts can I touch and what parts can't I touch? I don't know. Okay. No, 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 no! Don't do it! Can you please stop? Okay. Can you please? I don't know. I don't think that's good. Can you please? Thank you. That's cool. That's pretty cool. This is this beautiful thing without the stuff, and I would suggest we will see us again when I do have resin, because I can't do anything now. It's so sad. I do have my printer now and no resin. Now I have to look at it and it does nothing. Oh, well. So we see us next time. Bye. Hi. Since the washing machine I told you will take around a few more weeks to arrive, and also the resin, I ordered other resin so we can use the printer at least. So I ordered from Anycubic translucent green. We will see, and you have to calibrate the printer, and I will do that with the cones of calibration. Those are those things like this, and I hope they work. I put them in a slicer, so I used the slicer G2 box, or however it is pronounced. I don't know. I don't know anything what I've done there. We will see, I guess. Let's try. Till we figure out how the other things work. Oh my god. That's fancy. Ooh. Oh. We're done! Oh my god! That is so cool! Oh. Okay, several weeks have passed and the washing machine came and also some of the resin, and maybe I printed 1 or 2 or 3 things. But first I will show you the resin not the resin station, the printer station, because I figured that the resin will stink a little bit and maybe it's not the best thing to breathe that air all the time, so I decided to move my printer to the attic, and there it lives now. So let me show you the complete station. We are here in my fancy, just ignore this fancy webcam. It's to have my printer in view. So okay, now you can see this is the printer as you have already seen, and this is the washing machine. It's a small one because it was in the offer, so I took the small one, and it's great. It's a bit small for, especially I've seen that people can put this thing inside of in this tube to wash it with the alcohol, and I can't do that because this thing is too big. But anyways, that's cool, and the washing machine is very, very cool. You probably will see it someday in the future in some videos, because it looks very, very cool. Yes, and I installed a very cool webcam or whatever it is to have my print inside, and it's yeah, that's very, very cool. So this is now my station, and I think it's a very cool station. And yes, okay, so then let's go back and then I show you what I've printed already. Okay, as I mentioned, I already printed some stuff. Of course you have seen my first print because I wasn't able to print the cones of calibration. I printed this. That's a test thing from Anycubic itself, and I will show it to you in detail. It's pretty cool. I don't know what to do with it because it has this hole, and I don't know, but it's cool. It's looking very cool, and it has very, very small details. Focus. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, then I figured what the problem was with my cones of calibration. I was unable and too stupid to use the slicer, so that's why it didn't work in the first time, but I managed in the second try, and we had this. So this is completely right. It has on the failure side no cones. On this side it was attached at the beginning, but then I played too much with it, so it isn't connected anymore. But that's the success side. That's how it is supposed to look. Cool, right? But why stop there? I printed a second cones of calibration with another type of resin, not another type, with another color of resin. It's gray this time, and those are the failure, and that's the success side. So it worked very well, and thanks to Table Flip Foundry, I will link them below too, so you can use them by yourself. And in the advertisement of Anycubic there was a lizard. No, I don't know what they are. I don't even know them in German, so please keep that in mind. I'm just not good. Well, anyways, they have that in their already sliced store kind of thing, app, whatever-ish. And so I printed this beauty. It is a very, very cute lizardy thing, and it has a lot of details, and it's so cool. Look at that. Yes, you will see them for another project later in other videos, I hope. And also for another video, and also for another project for me, because most of the time I just document what I'm doing. I printed something cool. One or two persons know that I love doing dice sets, and I already poured some with resin, and they are pretty cool. But I thought it might be cool to have a big die. Now I have a big die. Oh, and that's another color of resin. It's translucent, so clear resin stuff. It's pretty cool. And for that I also printed a smaller version without numbers. Those dies I made by myself in Blender a few months ago already, and I think you will see what I will do with them in it maybe takes a while till I can work with that project, so stay tuned. And yeah, so that's what I printed till now. All right, that's for now. If you like what you've seen and you are very curious what will happen next, consider to subscribe and like the video, and maybe leave a comment. I would gladly read them. And yep, see you next time. Bye!